Hello student, welcome to DSCG Home Classes, a digital initiative by Directorate of School Education Jammu. Myself Lal Singh, teacher, Government High School, Chandrapur District, Ramban. Class 6 to 10, Subject English Grammar, Topic Models. पिछले 3 वीडियोज़ में हमने डिस्कस किया मेन, माइट, कैन, कुड, विल एंड शैल। तो आज हम बात करेंगे वुड और शुड की। वुड और शुड कहाँ यूज़ होता है? सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं यूज़ ऑफ शुड। शुड जो होता है पास्ट टेंस ऑफ शैल होता है। शुड कैन बी यूज टू एक्सप्रेस ड्यूटी, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, एडवाइस, प्रोबेबिलिटी, एक्सपेक्टेशन, presumption, मॉरल ऑब्लिगेशन एंड मिल्ड कमांड। तो शुड कैन बी यूज टू एक्सप्रेस, क्या क्या चीज़ें एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए? ड्यूटी है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, एडवाइस है, प्रोबेबिलिटी है, एक्सपेक्टेशन है, प्रिजम्पशन है, मॉरल ऑब्लिगेशन है, मिल्ड कमांड। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वन शुड ओबे वंस एल्डर, वन शुड ओबे वंस एल्डर, तो यह है इट इज़ आवर ड्यूटी। दूसरा, यू शुड ओबे योर पेरेंट्स, इट इज़ मॉरल ऑब्लिगेशन। You should obey your parents, it is moral obligation. The rich should help the poor, the rich should help the poor, the rich should help the poor, it is expectation. You should work hard, you should work hard, it is advice. You should find her in the playground, you should find her in the playground, it is probability है। प्लेग्राउंड में हो भी सकती है, नहीं भी हो सकती है, probability. You should take care of your health, it is advice. You should take care of your health. You should take care of your briefcase, it is responsibility. You should take care of your briefcase. You should complete your work every day, it is mailed command. You should complete your work every day, it is command, mailed command. He should be reading now, he should be reading now, it is probability, पढ़ रहा भी होगा, नहीं भी पढ़ रहा होगा. He should be worried about me, presumption. They should be anxious about me, this is also a presumption. Next use, should is also used for expressing purpose like may I and might. Yani should is also used for expressing purpose like may and might. I taught her, I taught her, I taught her so that she should pass. I taught her so that she should pass. She might pass. I taught her so that she should pass or she might pass. I scold him so that he should work hard. I scold him so that he should work hard. He might work hard. The use of should in perfect tense denote an obligation that was not fulfilled. The use of should in perfect tense denotes an obligation that was not fulfilled. He should have gone by morning bus. He should have gone by morning bus. He should have gone by morning bus, but he didn't go. लेकिन वो नहीं गया. She should have informed me about the incident, but he didn't inform me. Ramesh should have submitted the bills. Ramesh should have submitted the bills, but he didn't submit. Should is also used with least in following types conditional sentences. Least mean in case of, in case or, so that, dash not. Move fast, least you should miss the bus. Move fast, least you should miss the bus. Work hard, least you should fail. Work hard, least you should fail. Now use of would. अब would कहाँ का यूज? For making request, use of would show more politeness in comparison to will. Use of would. Would is also past tense of will. For making request, use of would show more politeness in comparison to wills. Would is more commonly used for request. Would is also used to know the wishes of others. Would is also used to know the wishes of others. Would you accompany me to the railway station? Would you accompany me to the railway station? It is polite request. Would you send me an application form? It is also polite request. Would you sing at the concert tomorrow? Would you sing at the concert tomorrow? The willingness or query. Would is also used to express likelihood, presumption, and probability. He would be in the field now. He would be in the field now. It is likelihood. He would be in the club at this time. It is probability. He would be in the club at this time. She would be cooking now. She would be cooking now. It is likelihood. She would be about 80 now. She would be about 80 now. It is presumption. The use of would with rather show preference. The use of would with rather show preference. I would rather rest now. I would rather rest now. I would rather study than see a movie. I would rather study than see a movie. I would rather play than rest now. I would rather play than rest now. The use of would in following construction shows strong desire or willingness. I wish you would fight this election. I wish you would fight this election. I wish you would support her fully. I wish you would support her fully. I wish they would agree to this proposal. I wish they would agree with this proposal. Would is also used in conditional sentence for showing unreal imagination. Showing unreal imagination. If I had 1 crore rupee, I would donate 50 lakh to the trust. If I had 1 crore rupees, I would donate 50 lakh to the trust. If I were king, I would make you my chief advisor. I would make my chief advisor. If I had wings, I would fly to Europe. If a tiger came into room, what would you do? If a tiger came into room, what would you do? The use of would in following type of conditional sentence denote action which did not take place. Which did not take place. The use of would in following types of conditional sentences denotes the action which did not take place. For example, if he had come to me, I would have given him job. If he had come to me, I would have given him job. He didn't come to me. इसका मतलब वो मेरे पास नहीं आया. If she had asked me, I would have helped her, but she didn't ask me. Would is the past tense form of will. It is used in indirect narration too. He told me that he would go to Jaipur the next day. He told me that he would go to Jaipur the next day. He told me that she would not agree to the proposal. She told me that she would not agree to the proposal. Would you like dash dash express invitation? Would you like to dash dash invitation? Would you like a cup of tea? Would you like a cup of tea? Would you like to come in? Would you like to come in? Thank you.